Sexual intercourse for the first time is a significant milestone in many people's lives, often accompanied by a complex mix of emotions: excitement, curiosity, nervousness, and anticipation. The experience varies greatly from person to person, and there is no single correct way for it to happen, provided that it is consensual, safe, and both partners are ready. Before we discuss the physical aspects of first-time intercourse, it's essential to understand the underlying anatomy and physiology involved in this intimate act. Let's begin by examining the female reproductive anatomy. The vagina is a muscular canal that extends from the external opening, called the introitus, up to the cervix, which is the lower part of the uterus. The vaginal canal is typically 3 to 4 inches long when not aroused, but it has remarkable elasticity and can expand significantly. The surrounding structures include the labia majora and minora, the clitoris, the urethral opening, and internally, the uterus, fallopian tubes, and ovaries. Understanding this anatomy helps both partners approach first-time intercourse with knowledge and confidence. A structure that often receives significant attention regarding first-time intercourse is the hymen. The hymen is a thin membrane of tissue that partially covers the vaginal opening in most women who haven't had penetrative intercourse. Contrary to popular myths, the hymen is not a solid barrier that completely seals the vaginal opening. Instead, it's a flexible, crescent-shaped or ring-shaped membrane with natural openings that allow menstrual blood and vaginal secretions to pass through. These openings are called hymenal orifices. The hymen varies considerably in thickness, elasticity, and shape from woman to woman. During the menstrual cycle, the female body undergoes continuous changes in preparation for potential pregnancy. Around day 14 of a typical 28-day cycle, ovulation occurs. An egg is released from the ovary. At the end of each menstrual phase, the uterus sheds its endometrial lining and then begins preparing the cavity again, creating an optimal environment. The body is continuously cycling through these preparations, regardless of whether sexual activity occurs. Understanding these natural cycles helps contextualize the physiological state of the body during first intercourse. When a woman becomes sexually aroused, her body undergoes several important physiological changes. Blood flow to the pelvic region increases dramatically as blood vessels dilate and expand.